Hi viewers, welcome to Kalandi's channel. Today I'm going to share an idea of how to keep our kids' lunchbox colorful. Not only colorful and balanced too. It should have equal amount of proteins, vitamins, minerals and carbs. Today I'll show you the cooking method of fried chapati strips along with the nuts, dry fruits and fresh veggies. Let's go into the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour and half a cup of soya flour. Add little salt and mix the dough and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I have made chapatis with the dough. After making chapati, now I am cutting the chapatis into small strips. See, all the strips are of equal size like a thread. See, it's like a thread. Now I'm going to fry this. Keep a pan, add oil, fry onions, peas, carrot, capsicum and tomato. Here I have taken 1 full carrot, 1 capsicum, 1 tomato, 1 onion and a little amount of fresh peas. Now all the color vegetables are mixed together. Now add a teaspoon of red chili powder and little salt. I'm adding few drops of hot sauce in this and a few drops of soy sauce. Just to add flavor, mix it well and add the stripped chapatis. Fry it well. Now it mixed well with the vegetables. Color is changing now. Allow it to cook for another 5 more minutes. Now it's ready. Along with this, I'm keeping 1 apple, few soaked almonds and dates. Now it is balanced with all vitamins, minerals, proteins and carbs. Watch this video. If you like, please share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.